LJH crew, what's going on? I know, don't adjust your YouTube channels or anything like that. The real LJH Productions is here. I know it's been a bit. Uh, in August, I moved in. I just been really hectic. Finally got to get everything back together. Been on a different work schedule. Posted some shorts here and there, but you know, none to say. I'm gonna try to be back as much as I can. Try to get some movie reviews out, just some trailer reviews. Um, but today is going to be an update of what has come in the movie collection. Something came in the mail today, which I'm gonna do a unboxing reveal completely on that. But I'm gonna show you what else that I grabbed and over like the last month and a half or so as I was settling in, and it took me a long time to settle in, and then couldn't find the computer for a while. Found it. But we're gonna start off showing you what I've gotten in collection recently, and then the last one will be the unboxing reveal of something that I'm very excited to have. But over, but let's get started. Over the last couple months, I did get Megan 2.0. Um, Now, was I a big fan of Megan 2.0? No, but it's still Megan nonetheless, and I loved the first Megan, so I did want to give this one some love. But here's the cover, the unrated version, which I did not watch yet. I probably should. In the back, of course, and there's the 4K there and there, the Blu-ray and 4K there, and then the slipcover, of course, and then another one that I've got that I was excited to get um, in 4K. I only watched one movie so far, which was the third film in the installment. But I did, of course, get A Nightmare on Elm Street in 4K. I couldn't wait to pick this up, and there's the back of that. It has A Nightmare on Elm Street, the theatrical and uncut version. A Nightmare on Elm Street 2, Revenge of Freddy. A Nightmare on Elm Street 3, Dream Warriors is the only one that I watched so far. Then it has 4, which is Dream Master, and then 5, Dream Child, Freddy's Dead, and Wes Craven's New Nightmare. And Dream Child also has the uncut version that they don't really talk about. And yeah, um, so there's the back of that, and of course we have all the films in red and the 3D glasses. I don't know if you saw that. And a digital code in this one I did put into my library because sometimes I listen to the movies at work. Now, this next installment that I got came out yesterday, and honestly, I'm so excited to open this and share everything with you guys. It's one of those ones that come like to me, it's one of those box sets that comes once in a lifetime, and it's by Arrow Video, and I couldn't be more excited. It just came, which inspired me to say, "Hey, you know what? Let's get back on track here with the real LJ's Productions." And that is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles trilogy 4K. It's Teenage Mutant Turtles 2, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3, The Secret of the Ooze. It has they all have Dolby Atmos and Dolby Audio. The original Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles is from the original camera negative, where the other two are from uh, another print. But I hear it's amazing. But we are going to get this open. I already have a little slit right here. So let's get this bad boy open and reveal it. I know it has two-sided papers, like from everything I've been seeing. I'm so excited for this. There's plastic guys, and now let's see how she opens this way. Interesting. And there's the box right there and there. Start with. Oh well, they have a little. They got this cast book here from Roy's Greenwich Village Pizza from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2, where Kino worked. And on the back, it has the prices. I bet you ain't getting those prices no more for pizza, right? Let's see. Let's get a good laugh. Cheese pie was $9. Yeah, try doing that now, right? $1.50 for a mushroom slice. Extra toppings, 25 cents. Canned soda was 75 cents. Yeah, right. It's like $2 now, right? And then you open this up, and it talks about the cast and the crew of the idea of film. Two, and then of course it talks about Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3, which is my favorite out of the all movies. Looks like a pretty good collectible cast book. Then we got, let's see, we got this poster. Oh, wow, this is a pretty big poster here. So there's the poster that it came with, movie poster from the original movie. And on the back is the map of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3 when they were calling them Kappas, ancient Japanese. So that's really cool. We'll definitely do something with that. And now we'll get into the 4Ks here. There's something rattling around in these. I'm hoping it's not broken disc because I will be pissed. But there's the cover that they give you for it, the new cover. Open it up. Oh, okay. No, it's not the disc. It's just cards. Oh, it's trading cards. That's cool. I'll show off each one. Uh, 1 second here. Look at the disc here. Arab video, and it's got the nice print. That's awesome. I actually really do like that. And what's this? Just a couple of attractions for whatever Arab video's got going on. Check out these cards here. So there's the front of the card, and then this one reveals Leonardo. That's pretty cool. I like that. Next one is Michelangelo. That looks like the scene where he's just talking about the anchovies. And we got a cool Donatello trading card. That's pretty cool. I like that too. Donatello is my favorite turtle, as you see him there in the corner over there. And he's also a little Donatello over there next to Mikey. Next one we got is, of course, Raphael in the trench coat and the hat. One of his most famous looks. That's pretty cool. Alright, so there's that. Then we have a Donatello sticker from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3. That's pretty cool. And we have a Leonardo sticker as well. A Mikey. And of course, Raphael. And then I showed you, let me take this out a minute. Yeah, So I showed you this artwork, which is cool. Um, I don't. I mean, this artwork is cool, but I'm not a fan. So I will be switching to, of course, the original artwork, which is this one, which I'm going to put back in now. So put it back in and I'll show you guys how that looks because that's the one I'll be using going forward. Even here. Bear with me 1 second. Okay. Yeah, so that definitely looks better. I like that artwork a lot better. And of course, I'll put all these cards and stuff back in here. And then we'll move on to Ninja Turtles 2, The Secret of the Ooze. It would have been cool if these had slipcovers too, but I understand why they don't. Now here's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 with Super Shredder on the cover. It's cool, nothing fancy. I mean, it's a cool cover. It's just so we open this one. There's more trading cards in here too. We'll take a look at them. Oh, this one has looks like this one has a poster. We'll check out. There's this, so you can see it. Super Shredder on there. Let's take a look at these discs over here. And instead discs, cards over here. We have a fast delivery with the telephone number for Rory's Greenwich Pizza. That's pretty cool. You got a little punch out thing to get a free pizza. That's cool. They really went all out with this collection, which is nice. And then we have the trading card here. We got Master Splinter. I like that. And of course, we got Oroku Saki himself, or Shredder. And then, of course, we're going to take this out. We're going to, of course, put over the artwork as well. And there's the other one. And here's the original poster, the one I prefer. So this is what it's going to show. So I'm going to do that now. I like when they have the reversible sleeves and it gives you like options. Sometimes these artworks are not as great as the originals, so that makes me happy that they thought outside the box, included some of that. And there's how it looks now and how it'll stay. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And now, of course, we'll check out this poster. So we have the Super Shredder poster on the back here, which is interesting. And of course, we have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 original movie poster, which is cool. I like that. Probably gonna hang these up. And now we'll get on to 3. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3 has a scepter in the background, and the turtles as honor guards on the bottom. You open this. Of course, you got some more trading cards. check them out in a second. And then get it out. Get another poster. Check. Oh, I have it. Let's put the poster. This one. Poster, the artwork that you see here, and then on the back, and then of course the original movie poster, which of course I feel like I have to read that anyway. Then we got the movie cards here. Oh wow, they managed to put both April O'Neils on there, which is cool. The original OG from the first film, and then the one that took over for 1 and 2. That's cool. I like that. And then we got Casey Jones, which is a great character, of course. Give me a sec, guys. I want to put these back in here, in there. Take these cards, and of course put them back in two, and try to keep everything the same. Roll this over. Of course, there's the disc, and I already showed you the artwork of that one. But I'll reveal it one more time before I do my final flip. And of course, this is the one I'll be going with, the original movie poster one. I'll show you what it looks like once it's inside. And go straight in there. There we go. And that's what it looks like now, which to me is the better cases. So yeah, that is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles trilogy collection. Freaking awesome to get. I'm so excited to watch these in 4K and give a review on all of them. And I'm gonna definitely hang those movie posters. There's no doubt about that. That's amazing. And yeah, and I love the slipcover. Like I think they did a really good job this collection, and I can't wait to view it. Go back in here like this. Came out on Tuesday. I got it today. So put it back on here. Of course, there it is again. Like really awesome. And one more thing for you guys before I close this video out. I do want to announce that I am officially back. I may not be uploading as much, but I will be here. There's a few movie reviews I want to talk about. I'll be filming another video soon about my review of Five Nights at Freddy's 2 and what I thought of it, and some other stuff. But I do have one more thing that I want to see. I did not use this code. At least I don't think I did. Don't quote me on that. It's not in my movies anywhere, so I'm hoping it'll work for you guys. A little Christmas present for being back. I always try to give digital codes when I have them. Like I said, the Nightmare on Elm Street one I honestly took in my personal collection, but I do want to give you guys something, and I hope it works. If it does work, leave a comment down below that you got it, and I would really appreciate that. And yeah, so there it is. The code for the digital code for Megan 2.0. I'll leave it there. You can pause for a minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So if you guys like this video, give it a massive thumbs up. Hit those notification bells so you know when I post a new video. Check out the TikTok at the Real LJH Productions as well. I do a lot of fun stuff there. I also will be doing another Beetlejuice musical review because I did recently go see the Beetlejuice musical again. Um, I saw it in like mid October. There's a lot to catch you guys up on. I saw it in mid October with the tour cast. I wanted to tell you guys what I thought about that from the Palace Theater. Um, yeah, so there's so much. But I love you guys. I am going to try to be back and I will post as much as I can. But with that being said, I want you all to enjoy the rest of your day. And remember, 500 subscribers. I do still have that Spider Man 2 code. I just have to find it somewhere around here. But with that being said, I want you to, again, enjoy the rest of your day. And as they say in the movies, cue the lights.